Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you a useful and time-saving script for Illustrator users. Don't do it like this. Instead, select the lines and shape. Go to the File menu, Script, and Split Path. First, I try with the intersect option and click on OK. And see the magic. You can change the profile as per your requirement. Let's try it with the other option. Minus front. Let's try the other examples. And that's it. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching.